Now, flat twisting and two-strand twisting my hair was such a challenge. Believe me, I struggled so very much to get it. I watched countless YouTube tutorials and I finally got it. I pray you had a wonderful week. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how I flat twist and two-strand twist my hair. Make sure that your hair is fully detangled before you start twisting your hair because you're going to struggle and you don't want to break your hair. As you can see, I'm using my index fingers as combs, separate a section of hair and the other one to gather hair. Now this is a visually descriptive tutorial, so I want you to watch and learn. I'm not going to do much talking, I'll just leave you to watch. So you can see that I'm separating my hair with my left index finger, and then I hold the hair on the right hand. I make sure that I'm holding my hair a bit tight so it does not unravel. I repeat the same process, which you can see. Now I will leave you to watch and learn because I do not know how to explain this to you. Now, I do hope that was beneficial to you, and if it was, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching. Happy twisting. Bye-bye.